so tranquil out here.
Yeah, I know. Beautiful, right?
Mm-hmm. Is that one of those crabs?
Yeah, he's like stuck in between the rocks. Like really jammed in
There's
there.
lots of like dead horseshoe crabs around here. I'm not sure why.
Yeah, I fucking love it.
Yeah, I wouldn't even bother with them. These two guys just chilling over here. Look at that clear sky. Boat way out there. Yeah. He split. Here's a close up of some of these rocks.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're coming into tide.
No, it's still hitting the first tide line.
That's true.
There's a couple of young folks up there.
Yeah, the island's like dead. We picked the perfect time to come.
Best time.
Joey's over here playing with this. That is a dead horseshoe crab that he just broke. He just broke a piece off.
It's hard to say, man.
I think he's long dead. Look, he's kind of in there. He's just really wedged.
My fingers taste like salt.
Mmm.
Taste your fingers.
Taste my fingers.
Yeah, lick your fingers.
Okay, he's right. My fingers taste like salt. But then again, we did go to the Cape Cod chip factory a few moments ago. So it could very well be that I have chip dust on. I'm not positive, but I am very salty at the moment. As weird as that sounds. See you in the next video, guys.